Okay, today we're going to talk about Quartal style voicings. And this is voicings that consist of mostly perfect fourths. Now, before even talking about what tertian harmonies that they would apply to, it's first a good idea to work on the shapes and becoming fluent with the shapes between your hands. And one of the best ways that I've found is to take a pentatonic and to build your voicings from the pentatonic using every other note of the pentatonic. So let me give you an example. We start with, let's start with the easiest pentatonic, the G flat major pentatonic, same as the E flat minor pentatonic. And just taking these 5 notes, and you should always go octave to octave so that you do all the movements possible. So this is your top voice. And in voicing, we build from the top down. So we're going to build from that voice and add notes below it. So that's one voice, obviously. That's a no-brainer. Now with 2 voices, we always skip one note in the pentatonic and then add the next note. So there's 2 voices. You could do it in your right hand and your left hand, one note in each hand. Okay, it's important to do different hand configurations because it makes you more versatile when you're playing. And it's not automatic. You don't automatically get every hand configuration just because you worked on one. All right, okay, so John, you try it on a G flat pentatonic.
Okay. So start with one note.
Add one voice below it. Add a 3rd voice.
All right, and do this with one.
Add a 4th voice. Now a 5th and final voice.
Yeah, and I know you also talked about the importance of doing 3 and 2, so I'll try that.
Now let's try another key. How about the key of E flat? So an E flat pentatonic, play that. Now for range purposes, do it from G to G.
Okay, so we'll start with the G on top, going up to a G, just to put us in this good range up here.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 voices.
Alright, now what note are you skipping?
Now I'm going to skip over C and go to this B flat. And I'm going to do 3 notes.
Alright.
Alright, and then
Now you can add a 4th note. What do you skip?
I'm gonna skip G and I'll go to this F. Start here,
Okay.
and then I'll do, and then we'll be, yeah, there we go. And then the final one would be start here.